As you can tell from this video, it's sharp. Bright enough at night, bright enough during the day, and it's responsive, it is quick. Life with the Box, thanks for tuning in to another video. So today I am going to go over my ATOTO navigation system here. I believe it's called this is the A6 model. I will link it in the description below. But I just want to show you how this unit functions and how fast it is. Mainly the speed is why I bought this one. I had an Alpine one earlier before this and it was really slow, mainly because it was a really old unit. But then I got this on Amazon. So let me just kind of show you instead of just talking. So I'm going to put the key in. I'm in a Honda Element. Okay, so watch the boot up time. Okay, so that was pretty instantaneous. Normally it is actually a little faster, but I haven't done this car in a while, so it took a couple extra seconds there. So let's try that again. Okay, I'm going to put the key in. Boom. So it is a little faster there, maybe because there's a battery or whatever inside and it's charged up. But yeah, so that gives you an idea of the boot up speed. Yeah, so I used to have an Alpine system and it would take 30 seconds at least to boot up. And the issue with that was I used it as a reverse camera. And so I didn't want to wait 30 seconds or even more just to start, the reverse camera so I can actually back out. So with this one, I can show you. Actually, let me start that again. So I'm going to turn it off. So I'm going to be in the car, all right? Get in. Okay, you see that was even faster now. It was almost instantaneous. So I'm in the car. I'm going to hit reverse. And boom, right? That was like 2 seconds, right? So let me just do that again, all right? So I'm going to turn off the car. Say I just got in. Key in. Start the car. And reverse, right? There's literally no delay there. You can start backing up. So that's kind of the reason why I went with this system, because it's just so immediate. It's so fast. So let's put it back into park. This system runs on Android. You have access to basically all the apps from the Google Play Store. And with that, you get access to Waze, which is right here. You have Google Maps, and then you have another driving app, which is also by Google. And then you can have your Google Play Music. So you can stream your music here, Spotify, YouTube. Obviously, I'm not going to be watching videos. No one should be watching videos while they drive. But it's nice to have there when you're not driving. So in order for this to get data, what it does is it will stream off your phone data. So if you have unlimited data where you live, that's perfect. That's great for you. But for some people who have limited data, you probably won't be connected the entire time when you're driving. So for example, for me, what you can do is if you want to use Waze or Google Maps, but not use data, just like any other computer or Android device, you can go there and you can download offline maps, right? So here I am in Google Maps, and I've already downloaded the maps prior, so I can drive without data and it's downloaded. I haven't used it in a while. Maybe it doesn't know where I am right now, but basically you download the maps and you have it there. So there's Google Maps, and then Waze. Waze works as well. There you go, Waze. It's gonna start booting up. And then here, let's just go through the settings here with everybody. If you're familiar with the Android menu, this basically is the same with anything else, right? So we got Wi-Fi. I am connected to my network here because I am parked close to my house, well, literally outside my house. There's Bluetooth. I believe you can have 2 Bluetooth devices connected here, more than one device. You can connect it here without having to, just the convenience of having 2. Okay, so display, you can adjust the display brightness. Can you have it even brighter? I have it set to auto, so I don't have to worry about it. You can choose your wallpaper. I mean, I haven't really gone through everything here. There's quite a bit. Okay, and then storage. So there is 25 gigabytes. That is in this unit because I do not have an SD card in here at all. So it comes with 25 gigs of internal storage with this unit. Sound. Okay, you can adjust all the. So you can turn on. I think I have my woofer off. You can adjust all the speakers as you would normally in any. Oh, that's my radio. Okay. So then let's continue on. You can choose your location count. So this is all like your Google settings, right? Date, time, about device. Okay. So let's go back here. So here is your Bluetooth settings. So you can make phone calls here, right? This is where you can do your calls. Bluetooth settings. Yep. So here, how you connect it. Then this is, and then you can choose to play music through Bluetooth off your phone. And this is where you can access it. And then this is where you can connect your Bluetooth devices. Okay, so let's get out of this. Okay, so now here, these are all the apps that I currently have. You can see it is quite responsive, right? It's fast. GPS test. I guess you can check to see how many satellites you're currently fixed with. So yeah, here it is. If you guys want to see that. So with this system, you can connect a dash cam. Obviously, an option. I think it's like $40. But then you can have it connected to the back, and then it will show. You can record your footage straight into here, and probably records into your SD card or into the internal memory, which is 25 gigabytes. So that's just an option. I don't think you can record. It only uses allows for one camera only. You can't have the back, so it'll only record the front. Now this is the radio, right? So you can choose AM, FM. You can search. You can here. Let me just bring it up to. Okay, so I'm just gonna change to. I'm not really sure exactly. Okay. Can I choose search? Okay, so now we're searching. So it's now scanning for stations. I normally like to listen to 99.9. So once we hit 99.9, I'm gonna stop it. Okay, so 99.9. Oh, no. See how fast this one is? I'm just scrolling through here. Okay, 99.9. Right? Okay, so that music is working. You can hear that. Alright, that's getting pretty loud. Okay, so let me turn that off. Okay, so that's radio. Play music. So this connects to your Google Play Store, right? So you have the option to do that. What is this? Okay, so your videos. Okay, I don't need to watch my videos. And here you can choose what apps you currently have opened. And so yeah, I mean, it's pretty much what you can expect from this system, this ATOTO system. I recommend it. It wasn't expensive, but it wasn't like super cheap. But I wanted to make sure I had a good display, and as you can tell from this video, it's sharp and bright enough at night, bright enough during the day, and it's responsive. It is quick, and yeah. So again, let me show you the reverse. Oh, let me show you reverse. It's quick. There's my kid playing in the snow, right? It's quick. And it does what you need. It has maps, it has reverse, it has radio, it connects to your phone, Bluetooth. And yeah, I mean, and another thing, I haven't actually fixed this yet, but I just need I need a plate to make sure, like a plate that fits here. Just haven't dealt with it yet. But if you guys were wondering why is this frame that's sticking out, this basically concludes this review of the ATOTO system. I hope this helps. And again, thanks for watching. And if you have any comments, put them down below, and I will see you in the next video. All right, thanks for watching.